have a moisturizer? Do you have a primer? Do you have a setting spray? These 3 products are all you need to create a flawless sweat-proof makeup during this hot season. Watch this video and see how I achieve it. The first step is to cleanse your face before proceeding to apply your moisturizer, which is our key product for this look. The aim is to keep the face hydrated throughout the process of wearing this makeup. The second key product for this look is the primer. It is applied on those areas where you tend to produce a lot of oil, such as your forehead, your cheek, your chin, and the bridge of your nose. It is used to blow out your pores in these areas. A sweat-proof makeup is always very breezy, which means that you do not need too much product on your skin. For foundation, I'm applying very little so that it is not cakey. I personally like to use my fingers to spread my foundation across my skin. This actually helps me to minimize the amount of product I put on my skin. I do this first before going in with my beauty blender to blend the entire product into my skin. Remember, the aim of this look is to keep everything as minimal as possible. We do not want too much product on our skin so it is not cakey. When your skin is cakey, that's when it tends to crack because the skin cannot breathe. So we need to keep the skin as breathable as possible for this look to last the entire day. And remember that the weather is hot, so when the weather is hot, you tend to sweat a lot. For concealer, I'll be applying the product minimally on the areas that I intend to highlight, which is under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, the cupid bow, and the chin. You allow your concealer sit for a while so that it will be very deep when you're blending. I'll be using this Ceramide product. This is the one that I should have foundation to contour and bronze up my face. Allow your concealer to sit for a few minutes before blending. Provide fuller coverage. It covers your blemishes better than when you apply it and blend it immediately. Take your time to slowly blend your concealer across the entire region where you apply it. Slowly. I'm done with all of the wet and creamy products. Now is the powder. One thing I love about a good powder palette is the versatility. Because it contains many shades, it can be used to highlight, contour, and also as a full face powder. Creating a flawless look in the hot season requires more powdery product and less of wet products. You need to apply lots of powder on all the areas of your face where you tend to sweat, which is very key in making this look to last the entire day. I'll be using my setting powder to highlight my under eye to further cover my blemishes and to make the areas of my face to be more pronounced and highlighted. This also serves as a oil control because it will help to hold the oil in these areas. For brows, I'll be using a brow gel for longevity and then my concealer to tidy up. To make your eyeshadows pigmented and long lasting, you need an eyeshadow base, which is known as an eyeshadow primer. For stronger hold, I'll be applying my lash glue on my lash line before applying it on the eyelashes before fixing it. For a long-lasting lipstick, ensure your lips are moisturized before applying your lipstick on it. Another hack that will guarantee a long-lasting makeup is to reapply your blush and your contour all over again. This is because the setting powder you applied earlier has diffused the product, so it's good you go over again and apply this product to make them more pronounced and long-lasting. The last key product for this look is the setting spray, which is the most important product for this look. The setting spray is going to hold everything in place. It's going to reduce the powdery look. It's going to mattify, and it's also going to hydrate the face. It's important you allow your setting spray to dry before doing your finishing touches. This is the final look. If this is your vibe, then let's be friends.